Coming to scope of data page. The three different scopes are thread, requester and node. So if you see a thread's scope in which the contents of the data page are unique to each thread. This Pega thread is different from Java thread. Even if you open the clipboard, you can select the thread to view the clipboard of that particular thread. Is tab in Dev Studio is a thread? Is service case launched is a thread? So whenever you launch a new service case, a new thread is created and it will be having the context of that thread. So if you want to reuse any data in a data page across the different sections in a particular service case or across the different views in a particular service case, then you can use thread type scope, so that once you populate the data page, you can reuse that contents across multiple stages, multiple processes, multiple sections throughout the service case. Coming to requester scope, once a data page is populated, the same data contents you can use across the multiple service cases for that requester session or for that operator ID login. So if you want to reuse any data in this data page across multiple service cases among the same requester session, then you can select requester scope. If you want to reuse data across the system, across different requester sessions, across different users in your entire node, then you have to use node level data page. So see, data page is all about reusability. If the reusability is across a service case level, use a thread scope. If the reusability is across different service cases in the same interaction or in the same requester session, use requester scope. The reusability is across the application, throughout the organization, across multiple operators in the same node, then you can use node level. Node level is the highest possible reusability level. As you can see here, same data page can be used by multiple users in the same node. Say for example, a best example for a node level data page is list of countries or list of states. Say assume you are having an external database system which is having the list of countries and states. You need not fetch the list of countries every now and then, because it is not going to change every 1 minute or every 1 day. So maybe you can create a node level data page. So whenever the node restarts, or whenever maybe you can, once in a year, you can load the list of all countries into the node level data page, and in whichever service case, in whichever requester, whichever operator wants to access that list of countries in any service case, you can directly get them from this node level data page. So we need not again make a call to the database, external database, to get the list of countries, because it is not going to change. You fetch once and reuse it multiple times. This is the best example for a node level data page. Coming to requester, say for example, if you want to have previous interaction history for a customer, then you can store them in a requester level data page, so that across the one user might create multiple service cases in a single requester session or in a single operator ID. So across the service cases that the user creates, he can use this information. Say if you want to create any page of thread scope, then you can create for the purposes of storing information which are specific to that particular case. You want to use that information in stage 1 and stage 5, but not the next time. Then you can use thread level data page. Thank you.